Picture this: you wake up on a Monday morning, and instead of dreading the alarm clock, you smile. Why? Because you have choices. You can go to work because you love what you do, not because you desperately need the paycheck. You can take that vacation you've been dreaming about without checking your bank balance 3 times. This is what financial empowerment looks like, but here's the thing: there are actually 2 different paths to get there. Today, we're going to break down the difference between financial freedom and financial independence. Most people use these terms like they mean the same thing, but they don't. Understanding this difference could completely change how you approach your money and your future. What is financial independence? Let's start with financial independence. Think of it like this: financial independence is when your money works harder than you do. Here's the simple math behind it. Let's say your monthly expenses are $4,000. To be financially independent, you need enough invested money that generates $4,000 every month without you lifting a finger. If you follow the popular 4% rule, you'd need about $1.2 million invested to generate that $4,000 monthly income. Financial independence means you have enough passive income, money that comes in automatically from investments, rental properties, dividends, or business income, to cover all your basic living expenses. You don't need a traditional job to survive. But here's what's interesting: being financially independent doesn't mean you're rich. It just means you have enough. If you live modestly and your expenses are low, you might reach financial independence with less money than someone who has a high-expense lifestyle. Let me give you a real example. Sarah is a teacher who lives in a small town. Her monthly expenses are $2,500. She's been investing consistently for 15 years and now has $750,000 in her investment portfolio. Using the 4% rule, that generates $2,500 per month. Sarah is financially independent. She could quit teaching tomorrow and maintain her current lifestyle. Compare that to Mike, who's a lawyer making $200,000 a year but spends $180,000 annually. Even though Mike makes way more money than Sarah, he's nowhere near financial independence because his expenses are so high. What is financial freedom? Now, financial freedom is different. Financial freedom is when money stops being a factor in your decisions altogether. You're not just covering your basic needs, you have enough money to do whatever you want, whenever you want, without worrying about the cost. Financial freedom means you can travel first class without thinking twice about the price. Buy that house you've always wanted without taking out a mortgage. Start that business idea without worrying if it fails. Help family members financially without it affecting your own security. Make choices based on what makes you happy, not what pays the bills. While financial independence might require $1 million, financial freedom usually requires several $1 million, depending on your lifestyle goals. Think of financial freedom like this: if financial independence gets you off the hamster wheel, financial freedom lets you buy the entire pet store. The main difference comes down to choice versus abundance. Financial independence equals freedom from something. You're free from the requirement to work for money. You've escaped the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. You have security and peace of mind. Financial freedom equals freedom to do something. You have the resources to pursue any opportunity, dream, or desire without financial constraints holding you back. Let's look at how this plays out in real life. Transportation. Financially independent person owns a reliable, paid-off car. A financially free person can choose between multiple cars, luxury vehicles, or even private jets. Housing. A financially independent person lives in a comfortable home that's paid off. A financially free person can own multiple homes, upgrade anytime, or live anywhere in the world. Work. A financially independent person can choose to work or not work. A financially free person can pursue passion projects, invest in startups, or create businesses without worrying about income. Giving. A financially independent person can donate regularly to causes they care about. A financially free person can make significant charitable contributions or even start their own foundation. Which path should you choose? Here's where it gets personal. Both paths are valuable, but they require different strategies and mindsets. Choose financial independence if you value time over material possessions. You want to retire early or pursue passion projects. You're comfortable with a modest but secure lifestyle. You want to escape the stress of depending on a job. Choose financial freedom if you have big dreams that require significant capital. You enjoy luxury and premium experiences. You want to build generational wealth. You're willing to take bigger risks for bigger rewards. But here's a secret, you don't have to choose just one. Many people pursue financial independence first because it's more achievable, then continue building toward financial freedom. The step-by-step approach to both. For financial independence. Step 1. Calculate your FI number, add up all your monthly expenses. Multiply by 12 for yearly expenses, then multiply by 25. That's roughly how much you need invested. Step 2. Reduce expenses strategically. The lower your expenses, the less you need invested. Focus on the big three: housing, transportation, and food. Step 3. Increase income. Get raises, switch jobs, start side hustles, or build skills that command higher pay. Step 4. Invest the difference. Put the gap between your income and expenses into low-cost index funds, real estate, or other income-producing assets. Step 5. Stay consistent. Time is your biggest ally. Regular investing over 10 to 20 years can get most people to financial independence. For financial freedom. Step 1. Think bigger. Set goals that require significant wealth, maybe $5 million, $10 million, or more. Step 2. Focus on high-income skills. Develop expertise that can command premium prices. Think entrepreneurship, high-level consulting, or specialized professional services. Step 3. Build scalable income streams. Create businesses, invest in real estate, or develop intellectual property that can generate substantial passive income. Step 4. Take calculated risks. Financial freedom often requires bigger risks than financial independence. This might mean starting a business, investing in individual stocks, or pursuing aggressive growth strategies. Step 5. Reinvest aggressively. Instead of just maintaining your lifestyle, reinvest profits to accelerate wealth building. Common mistakes people make. Number 1. Confusing the two goals. Some people save like they're pursuing financial independence but spend like they're pursuing financial freedom. Pick your target and align your actions. Number 2. Lifestyle inflation. As income increases, expenses increase to match. This keeps you stuck in the same place regardless of how much you earn. Number 3. Focusing only on income. It doesn't matter if you make $50,000 or $500,000, if you spend it all, you'll never reach either goal. Number 4. Analysis paralysis. Spending months researching the perfect investment strategy instead of starting with simple, consistent investing. Number 5. Not considering taxes. Both paths require understanding how taxes affect your wealth building and income strategies. A quick story on financial independence. John and Lisa, a couple in their early 40s, both work regular jobs making a combined $80,000 per year. They live in a modest home, drive used cars, and cook most meals at home. Their expenses are about $3,000 per month. After 18 years of consistent investing, they have $900,000 saved. They are financially independent and could both quit their jobs if they wanted to. A quick story on financial freedom. Maria started a digital marketing agency at age 25. She reinvested most of her profits back into the business for the first 5 years. By 30, her agency was generating over $2 million in annual profit. She diversified by investing in real estate and stocks. At 35, she has a net worth of $8 million. She's financially free, she can travel anywhere, buy luxury items without thinking about price, and pursue any business opportunity that interests her. The hybrid approach. David worked as a software engineer and saved aggressively, reaching financial independence by age 32 with $1 million invested. Instead of retiring, he used his financial independence as a safety net to start a tech company. The business succeeded, and by 40, he achieved financial freedom with over $20 million in assets. Which timeline fits your life? Financial independence timeline. Usually 10 to 20 years of consistent saving and investing, depending on your income and expenses. Financial freedom timeline, often 15-30 plus years, unless you build a highly successful business or make exceptional investments. The beauty of financial independence is that it's achievable for most people with middle-class incomes if they are disciplined about spending and consistent about investing. Financial freedom typically requires either very high income, successful entrepreneurship, or exceptional investment returns, but it's still possible with the right strategy and persistence. Getting started today. Regardless of which path appeals to you, here are 3 things you can do right now. 1. Track your expenses for 1 month. You can't manage what you don't measure. Understanding where your money goes is the foundation of both financial independence and financial freedom. 2. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to investment accounts. Start with whatever amount you can manage, even $50 per month builds the habit. 3. Educate yourself continuously. Read books, watch educational videos, and learn about investing, business, and money management. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Remember, both financial independence and financial freedom are marathons, not sprints. The key is starting, staying consistent, and adjusting your strategy as you learn and grow. The bottom line. Financial independence gives you security and choices. Financial freedom gives you unlimited possibilities. Financial independence says, I don't have to work. Financial freedom says, I can do anything I want. Both are valuable goals, and both are achievable with the right approach. The question isn't which one is better, it's which one aligns with your values, lifestyle, and dreams. Maybe you'll choose financial independence because you value time and simplicity over material wealth. Maybe you'll go for financial freedom because you have big dreams that require serious capital. Or maybe you'll pursue financial independence first as a stepping stone to financial freedom later. Whatever path you choose, remember this: the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make right now. Every dollar you save, every investment you make, and every financial skill you develop is a step toward the life you really want. The choice is yours. The time is now. Your financial future starts today. Kindly like and subscribe to get more helpful financial tips. Thank you. I'll see you soon.